In this video, we shall be looking at change of subject of formula involving brackets, roots, and powers. In doing this, we do the following. 1. Clear the fractions, brackets, and root sign if they exist. 2. Rearrange the formula so that terms containing the new subject are on one side. Then 3. We simplify as far as possible. So let's look at few examples. Example 1. Given that Q equals to 1 over 2h into bracket a plus b, make a the subject of formula. So here we have brackets, so we have to clear the bracket here according to our procedure and rule. So solution. How do we clear our bracket? Here. Firstly, we multiplying both sides by 2. I have 2 times q equals to 1 over 2 times 2h into bracket a plus b. So we are eliminating the fraction here. So 1 over 2 cancels out 2. Get that? So I'm left with 2q equals to h into bracket a plus b. So we open our brackets now. We have 2q equals to h times a, ha plus h times b, hb. So since we are making a the subject of formula, we have to rearrange to make a fall on one side and others on the other side. So I subtract hb from both sides. So I have 2q minus hb equals to ha plus hb minus hb. So hb cancels out hb. So I have ha equals to 2q minus hb. So what do I do next? I divide both sides by h to eliminate h from a. So I have ha divided by h is equal to 2q minus hb over h. So h cancels out h here. So I have a to b equals to 2q minus hb over h. Example 2. We have v minus g equals to square root of gh. So what do we do to eliminate our square root now? We square both sides. So this will give me v minus g squared equals to square root of gh all squared. See that? So here the square will cancel out the square root. So I'm left with v minus g into bracket v minus g equals to gh. Do you get that? So we open the brackets. I taught you this in our GSS 3 and GSS 1, also in GSS 2 too. So in open brackets we have v into bracket v minus g into bracket v minus g equals to gh. So in multiplying through here now, I have v squared minus vg minus vg plus g squared equals to gh. So I have v squared minus vg will give me minus 2vg plus g squared equals to gh. So I have gh equals to v squared minus 2vg plus g squared. So I've just rearranged it. So what do we do here? We divide both sides by g, since we are making h the subject of formula. So I have gh over g equals to v squared minus 2vg plus g squared all over g. So this will give me h equals to, so g cancels g here, so I have h equals to v squared minus 2vg plus g squared all over g.